Welcome to WEART's Unity SDK overview. Whether you're working on a new or existing VR Unity project, in just 2 minutes, you can make any object graspable and touchable. Our SDK is user-friendly and requires no coding skills, though you have the option to customize further with low-level APIs if desired. It is compatible for Android and PC versions. Importing our SDK into your Unity project is simple and quick. Select Window from the top bar menu and go to Package Manager. Press on the plus sign and select Add Package from Disk. Once done, you can add all WEART's assets that include our hand model, the tool for hand calibration, a panel showing data from gloves like connectivity, battery status, tracking, actuation data, useful to debug during development. In this way, you can easily simulate and validate the tactile properties of virtual objects during the developing stage. Next, connect the controller you will use for hand tracking and select it from Offset Presets in the right menu. You'll notice there are preset options available for some controllers in the library, but you can also add custom offsets if needed. To assign tactile properties to the cube in your scene, go to the right menu and select Add Component. Then search for our plugin called WEART Touchable Object. This allows you to set properties like temperature, stiffness, which controls the object's rigidity and affects force feedback, and textures. You can choose the materials from our textures library, but you can also customize the starting textures with Volume Texture option. You're now ready to experience the cube's shape, textures, and temperature. For more detailed information, visit the Developer Guide section on our website